The civil authorities have issued a civil emergency message for the following areas: New York City, Manhattan, Brooklyn, Queens, the Bronx, and Staten Island. At 8:27 p.m., local authorities reported an unprecedented atmospheric anomaly identified as Polsat RedLight. This entity has entered the New York City airspace and is currently initiating an active assault on the metropolitan area. Residents are advised to follow these immediate safety instructions, seek shelter immediately, move to an interior room or basement, stay away from windows and glass, avoid direct visual contact, do not look directly at the red luminescence emitting from the sky, do not evacuate, stay off the streets and highways to allow emergency response teams clear access, await further instructions. Keep your radio or television tuned to local news outlets for updates on the Polsat RedLight movement.
Oh yeah, I've done it for years. I actually stopped because I was so accurate. And one of the great
The following is a request of the New York City Police Department. At 8:10 p.m., an unidentified hostile entity has been sighted. The object, identified as Polsat RedLight, is described as a red-striped globe wearing a red and blackish Shanka-style hat. This entity possesses black eyes with red pupils and long red limbs. Warning: Polsat RedLight has been observed flying over the city and utilizing high-intensity eye lasers to destroy infrastructure and buildings. Citizens in the New York metropolitan area must seek immediate underground shelter. Avoid all windows and do not attempt to engage or approach this entity. Stay tuned to local media for further updates. This is a life-threatening situation. Do not delay.
Smile like I complete you.
Love is in the air with all new Friday night.
Hooray!
You could flip it higher, Mummy Pig.
You will get a chance to show me when you flip your own pancake, Daddy Pig.
This EAS, the National Alert Warning Polsat RedLight, is attacked by Polsat Cyan Light. She have good day Bisus want Polsat RedLight came alive and it's it attacking people in Los Angeles, so stay tuned for your normal programming.
A good pancake is to flip it high into the air. A 1, 2.
With my bestie, like everything fun. Big guy, big guy, big guy, big guy. SpongeBob, big guy, pants okay. SpongeBob, big guy, pants okay.
The civil authorities have issued a civil emergency message. Now the New York Police Department is calling 911 for attack Polsat RedLight, but officers tried to arrest him and now Polsat RedLight was dead. Now back to normal programming.